To find the slope of the line connecting these points, use the slope formula. First, label the coordinates x1 and y1, then x2 and y2. Let's call this one x1 and this one y1. This one becomes x2 and this becomes y2. Plug these coordinates into their corresponding place in the formula. y2 goes here, -2. y1 goes here, 3. x2 goes here, -2. And x1 goes here, -2. Simplify the numerator and denominator. -2 minus 3 is -5. -2 minus -2 is 0. Simplify the fraction. Because we have 0 in the denominator, this fraction is undefined, and therefore the slope is undefined. And an undefined slope corresponds to a vertical line. And this is because there is no corresponding change in the x-coordinates, because they have the same x-coordinate. So the change in x is 0, and it results in a vertical line and an undefined slope.